We'll guide you through how to fix Wi-Fi missing or not showing in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is annoying as you then can't join Wi-Fi and access the internet. So we've got some different fixes you can go and try. So it's important to note this guide is for if you previously had the Wi-Fi option and it's now gone. If you never had it, this may mean you don't have a Wi-Fi adapter which you need to go and get. So for the first fix, you want to scroll down in Network and Internet in your settings and find Advanced Network Settings. Find the option for your Wi-Fi adapter here. Make sure that you go and press enable if you see the option. If it says disable or it's not showing, keep watching as we've got some more fixes. If you've just gone and enabled it though, come back and hopefully that solved it, as you can see. Now, if it still hasn't, you want to come back to the advanced network settings. If you see the option here, go and click on it, scroll down, you can press edit to the right and you'll get this pop-up, press configure. You'll get this pop-up and you need to come into driver and go and press update driver like so, do an automatic search. That's it. Scroll to the bottom of advanced network settings. And if you're finding it's missing from this list here, do this as well. Press network reset and you can then do this reset. This will go and reinstall and go and set everything back to default, hopefully solving the problem. However, if that still doesn't work and it's still missing from the list, to go and hold down the power button on your computer for 30 seconds. So tap and hold it down and you need to go and wait. When that time passes, you can release. And then what you can do is go and press it and then hopefully it will come back on. With no Wi-Fi showing, if it still isn't, you should try getting another Wi-Fi adapter. You can get a USB one from Amazon. I'll link them down below.